case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1987, the Minnesota Court of Appeals heard the case of State v. Iten, which centered on the charge of criminal vehicular operation resulting in death. The charges applied to individuals who operate a vehicle in a grossly negligent manner, causing the death of another person. Raymond Iten was convicted after his truck, with only 50% effective brakes due to rust and oil deposits, collided with Marna Quamstrom's car, resulting in her death. Iten failed to check his brakes before driving and ran a red light, opting to honk his horn instead. Witnesses testified before a grand jury and at trial regarding whether Iten used his horn or applied his brakes before the collision, but the court deemed these differences in testimony as insignificant. Iten claimed that there were too many witnesses who asserted he did use his horn or brakes, but the court disagreed and found that Iten's gross negligence led to the death of another person. The Court of Appeals concluded that Iten was rightfully charged and convicted of criminal vehicular operation resulting in death, as there was sufficient evidence to support the verdict, and the trial court's instructions to the jury were without error. The decision was ultimately affirmed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.